Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Picture this. You just filled up your gas tank, drive off, and bam, the tire pressure light pops on. It's amber, blinking, annoying. You panic. Is it safe to drive? Do I need a repair shop? Today, I'll show you why this happens, how to fix it yourself, and when to get professional help. When a tiny trespasser like a nail or screw punctures your tire, it often leads to a slow, subtle leak rather than a sudden blowout. This gradual loss of air means you usually have a window of opportunity. You can carefully drive up to 20 miles to a repair shop. Just be sure to keep your speed low and monitor your tire pressure and TPMS light closely. Once you reach the shop, a proper and lasting repair involves more than just a quick fix. The technician will remove the offending object and then apply a plug patch from outside. But the technician can also do inside tire patch also. This internal plug patch method is considered the safest and most effective industry-approved repair, ensuring your tire is road-ready once again. Remember, inside patch costs more. Let's get that light off. The TPMS light warns when tire pressure drops 25% below recommended levels. Think safety, fuel economy, tire life. It can also trigger during seasonal temperature shifts or after a tire rotation. And since 2007, TPMS has been mandatory in the US, so every car has one. Understanding the cause helps you decide whether it's a simple fix or a sensor issue. Start with a tire pressure gauge. Measure each tire while it's cold and inflate to the PSI noted on your door jamb. For this car, the front and rear tire pressure are 33 PSI. For Nissan models, if the light sticks, inflate to 3 PSI over recommended first. This helps re-trigger sensors. Drive at 30-50 mph for 10-20 minutes. Many systems auto-relearn, and the light should go out after your drive. Turn ignition on, engine off. Press and hold the TPMS reset button until the light flashes 3 times, then release. Start the car and give it a few minutes. Inflate 3 PSI over, then deflate to recommended. This refill method triggers relearn. If the TPMS light stays on, or flashes, it could mean a faulty sensor or system malfunction. A flashing light means a system error. Drive carefully and visit a shop. Most shops use an OBD scan tool to reprogram or replace sensors, which usually costs $50 or $150. Check tire pressure monthly. Don't ignore a flashing light. It's a malfunction. Always follow your owner's manual for TPMS reset steps. And there you have it, a quick, reliable way to reset your TPMS light and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.